All right, let's do 5,742 divided by 3. Our dividend is 5,742. Our divisor is 3. All right, this is question 28 out of 36 if you're following this playlist. You can get these worksheets using the link, or you maybe have the online version, but you can also just follow along with paper and just practice these. And if you're starting to get the hang of this, I encourage you to pause the video and just try it, or do a step and then watch 10 seconds and just see how close you are or how you're doing. And you are also welcome to just follow along with me too. Since 3 is the divisor, I'm writing out the multiples of 3. Okay, we're going to divide 5 divided by 3, or how many 3's fit into 5? Just 1. Now we're going to multiply that same 1 back with that 3. 1 times 3 is 3. Our next step is to subtract 5 minus 3, which is 2. Now we're going to bring down the 7. I want you to think about what we would do next. We're going to divide, but what are we dividing? We're dividing 27 into 3 groups. All right, or you're counting your 3's till you get close to or hit 27. You just don't want to go over. So 3 can go into 27 9 times. Where does the 9 go? Up top. Now what are we going to do with that 9? We're going to multiply it right back with that 3. 9 times 3 is 27. All right. Now we're going to subtract 27 minus 27, which is 0. What do we do next? Bring down. What are we bringing down? The 4. All right. Now what are we going to do? We're going to divide. So we're doing 4 divided by 3. How many 3's can fit into 4? Just 1. Put the 1 up here. And then what do we do with this 1? Multiply it right back with the 3. 1 times 3 is 3. Our next step is to subtract. So we're going to do 4 minus 3, which is 1. And then what do we do? Bring down the 2. All right, we're almost there. What do we do now? We're dividing, but what are we dividing? 12 divided by 3, which happens to be 4 exactly. Put your 4 up top. And then what do we do with that 4? Multiply it right back with the 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Last step, you subtract. And what happens if you get a 0 here? Nothing. It just means there's no remainder. It means that 5,742 can actually be divided up equally. If I had 5,742 of something and I put it into 3 groups, I'd have exactly 1,914 in each group, nothing left over. What would you get if you did 1,914 times 3? You would get 5,742, because that's what we're saying. We've got 3 groups. 1,914, 1,914, 1,914. All 3 of those together would be this.